Hey guys, as you can see, market is about to get close and we are taking short entry at the market, and this is the stop and the target for crude. So this is a swing trade, might be going till tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So I'll be updating you as we go along, and I have already sent the message about it. So those who are not live can read the message and try to get into the trade. Alright, I'll see you soon. Hey guys, this is the new update into the crude trade which we took yesterday, and as you can see, this is moving in our direction. Now first of all, I'm a little aggressive trader and that's why I'm taking this trade at this point, but the perfect entry for this trade is actually here or here. Now some of you got into here on this level. Hold on to the trade, it's going in the direction, so we are looking at our target which will be getting hit by this Friday or something. So I'll be updating you tomorrow again once I find any other update into the trade. I'll see you soon. Thank you. Hey guys, this is the next update into the crude oil trade which we took maybe 2 days back. So anyways, so we are so close to our target, 80% we have achieved. And now for those who are keep sending me message and bothering me about this move, you guys need to understand this is a part of a structure and these moves are intraday moves. So you have to deal with that. If you can't have patience till your target, you will never be a successful trader. You can be anything you want, but not this. You have to learn the patience and the rules and the discipline. Alright? This move will come again and again because it's a part of a structure. Market is supposed to make those moves. And some of you guys are asking me whether you can get into this trade or not right now. Were you sleeping when I was sending you message on that? Now still, it will give you a sell setup. If you want, you can get along for this move. Alright, so we might be looking for buying opportunities over there. So anyways, I'll be updating you again on this trade tomorrow. Let's see what happens. I am convinced maybe we'll be hitting our target tomorrow, but no problem, we still have 2 more days for this week. So good night and I'll see you tomorrow. Guys, this is the final update in the crude oil trade. Friday, last day of the week, we achieved our target, and that's the perfect example of patience, peace, and nothing can replace the hard work. All right, I can understand, guys, this is not everybody's cup of tea, but if you are serious, you are doing your homework, there's nothing you are afraid of in the market. All right, market scene, it's simple concept. It just people are making it too hard in terms of psychology, in terms of emotions and all that. Anyways, so another good trade in our pocket. Today I'm gonna have off early, so I'm not gonna send you trade after 3. So have a lovely weekend, guys. Bye bye.